Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy day 24 of daily savings in August with this adorable little lemon theme that I've got from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So I do have $12 today. So we have 6 for the dailies, and then we have 6 that we can potentially put into this daily roll that I'm saving up for my $1,000 savings with my 1,000th video freebie that's on my Ko-fi. So let's roll my D6, and I'm going to use my honey die. We got 4 again. Wow, 4 is very popular. All right, so color in a circle to represent that. So since I have 2 5s, I'm going to put a 5 in here and then grab a 1. So we will have $8 to go into my dailies. So we need 51, 52, so $2 worth of the 50-cent pieces. We need our $6 of the 25-cent pieces, $8 going into the bank. All right, so basically you exchange for whatever money you put in the bank with prop coins, and that represents what you're playing with. So we are going to move the D6 out of the way. We're going to go to the paper clip on 6. And let's mix up some of our prop coins. There. So we will start here. We're going to roll to 3, so this will get 3 coins. And then we'll go to number 1 and just repeat until we're out of prop coins. 1 for 1. Oh my goodness gracious. 3 for 2. That was a struggle. 1 for 3. So I am filming ahead. 2 for 4. Because I have had company this weekend with girls trip. So I don't really know what to chat about because I feel like it's far in advance, but I'm just having fun filming ahead and getting prepared for company and working on orders and falling asleep at my desk. It's just, you know, all the normal things. 1 for 4. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. 1, 2, 3 for number 6, which means 1 is going to get the last one. So we will start at number 2 tomorrow. All right. So we'll scoot you here. All right. So number 1 looks like it got $1. And number 1 is kind of bougie, kind of broke. It needed 50 cents. Yay, we finished it. This is from the Millennial Saver, which again, I will always say, I believe it's pennies into possibilities. So yay, we finished one for $4. That is household. Let's write that on there. Whoops. All right, so we need a new one. What's this one? For Mama, spoiling my pets is my cardio. That's accurate. So let's do 2 little puppy paw print hearts. This was with a pop-up live I did with Kimmy. That was fun. Yay. All right, so that's done. All right, number 2 is also all 25 cents. So we have $1.25 going into number 2. This one is from Paula at the Swag Doodlers. So I am just making each little shell 25 cents, so we can do 5 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will save $8. That's awesome. So these are all 25. Okay. Number 3 got 75 cents. At least one of them was a 50. Oh, we only needed 50. Yay! So 25 and 50. So we finished this one from Lisa at She Persisted Budgeting and Saving. And that's just going to go to the biz. So we are going to move the 50 out of the way and we can get a new one. Okay. What is this? Look at how pretty that is. Save with Judy. Let's do the yellow. We can do one little circle. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, number 4 has 75 cents. That's exactly what we needed. Yay, we finished the $8 one. This one's from Becca Budget 777. What did the pencil say to the sharpener? My life would be pointless without you. So 1, 2, and 3. Dog supplies. I think I'm going to keep that for dog supplies because they're little treat mongers. Okay, so that's that. So we finished that exactly. So we need one for 4. Let's do this one. This one is from Planning Rissa, Let's Cruise. And we made 2 spots, 50 cents. And then the rest are 25 and it'll save $3. Love it. All right, number 5. All right, so we got 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75. Oh, okay. All right, I don't want to get excited, but I think we finished it. All right, so that's 25, 50. Okay. We did exactly, and then 25.50 and 25.50. Yes. We finished this for $8. Oh, that's so cool. This one is from Divas Budgeting or DIY on Etsy. DIY budget on Etsy. So I'm going to have that go to the biz. So we need a new one, but it's not getting anything. What's this cute one? This looks like Harry Potter. Harry Potter Christmas. I made them each 50 cents. That's $1. I was getting excited making a lot of these 50 cents. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, number 6. We got 50, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2, 25.50. So $2.50 going into number 6. That is from Candy at Stuff and Budget, the little beach bag. Okay, so we have 25.50, 75, $1, 25.50, 75, $2, and then 25.50. Oh, so close. All right, I'm going to color in all the circles and be right back. Perfect. We are so close on that one. All right, so these are all 25. And then $2 with 50, which is perfect. So we can put this back here. All right, let's put our other prop coins away. All right, and now we go to the bank. Look at all this poofy money. So let's see what we got. We have $8, $8, $4, and $4. So $24. 8 and 8 is 16 and 4 is 24. Oh, that's definitely the most I've ever saved in a day. 100%. With these tinies? Oh my gosh. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. That is fantastic. All right, we're going to put this away for a second. I feel like we only have a couple for my regular binder. I know we had a household one. That was dog supplies. Nothing, nothing. Household is getting 4. Okay. And then dog supplies. is getting 8. That's awesome. Oops. Dog supplies. And then the rest are going to go into the business binder. So we have 8. So this is going to be $12. So I think I'm going to put that into shipping. I opened right to it, meant to be. All right, so $12 going in there. I love saving with the little amounts, because just sticking in $4, $8, $12 into an envelope every couple days, just for now, that is working for me, and it's fun, and it just keeps things moving along. I don't know, really like it. All right, so that is all I have. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Day 24. This month is almost over. But as soon as it's September, it's like I can immediately switch the fall switch on, and just hopefully Vegas weather cooperates and cools down a tiny bit. That would be great. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a fantastic week. And until tomorrow, take care. Bye.